Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Walkaway Back Pain. Today we're going to be talking about how to protect your lower back while walking across slopes and hills. Hope you enjoy. If you like to use tailored mechanical corrections of your spine, your hips, and your pelvis as you walk to help relieve your lower back pain, and use it as a rehabilitative exercise to help prevent lower back pain like I do, and I recommend to many of my patients, you've probably come across a situation where you're walking across a hill or a slope and lower back pain becomes aggravated. There's a simple technique that helps us to undo the deleterious effects of this problem. Simply put, when we walk uphill, the upper side of the hill is going to have a tendency to force our hip upwards into our rib cage, and so we avoid leaning into the downhill side. Our torso has a tendency to lean in to that same hip that's coming up. That creates a compression effect on the lower back, which compresses discs, nerves, spondylolisthesis, stenosis, all types of symptoms that can aggravate lower back pain. It's rare that you walk exactly the same amount of time across the hill one way and then the other. So we have this asymmetrical effect of loading the spine with lateral flexion or sideways stress that aggravates problems. This will be especially true on the side that you typically walk or stand with one leg turned out more than another. As we walk or stand with external rotation of the hip, it serves to elevate the hip on that side and also causes a compensatory leaning of the torso. So that side, typically even when you're walking flat, is more used to or commonly loaded in compression. So when you walk across the hill and that side is up, that's going to be much more of a tendency to compress and aggravate lower back pain on that side. It could also overstretch structures on the low side, which can also lead to low back pain. So the quick fix or the modification to this is actually pretty simple. As you're taking each step across a hill, bend the knee on that side that's uphill a little bit more than the lower hill leg. By bending that knee and keeping it bent through the walking cycle, you'll help to drop the hip, which will help to alleviate compression on that side, and you'll also notice that the torso is a lot more likely to stay level with this. As you approach hills, try to make sure that you keep your problematic side of hip hiking on the lower side anyway, but there's going to be sometimes where you have to walk with that natural hip hiking side on the high side of the hill. So use this technique of bending the knee. You can even keep your hands on the top of your hip to monitor how much knee bend is necessary for you to feel a levelness as you walk across the hill, different slopes. If you like this tip on walking cross hill to prevent low back pain, feel free to check out our channel. We have a lot of great videos and exercises for lower back pain, including walking modifications to help self-rehab your problems. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up below, let's share this valuable information with others. Questions or comments, write in. As always, I'll do my best to answer. And remember, if you're looking for a great tailored way to check out your biomechanics, figure out what mechanical issues and spinal stability issues you have that's unique for you as an individual that's driving the stress on your lower back, check out our Walkaway Back Pain program available at painfreeandfit.com. It has not only your analysis, but all types of corrective walking forms and different ways that you can walk and implement exercises while walking to help rehab your low back issues. I hope this video on walking cross hill for low back pain helps you with your chronic issues.